Hello, grade 2. Here's me, Miss Ala, your Discover teacher. Today, we're going to continue our journey for discovering our planet, right? But first thing first, before our start, we need to take our attendance. Everyone is here? I see that everyone is here, right? Excellent. No absent for today, so we're going to take the whole class 2 points for attendance. Everybody take 2 points. Excellent. Thank you so much. Now let's go and start our lesson for today. Hello, hello. Okay, in today's lesson, we are going to discover a new thing called engineering design process. Okay, but first thing first, I want you to revise the class rules with me. Open your camera, keep it open. Sit in one spot during the class. No jumping here and there. No eating, no drinking during the class. Load your mic. Raise your hand if you need anything. And don't use the chat box. Never ever choose the chat box. Now we say hello to chapter 2. Hello, hello, taking care of me. In today's session, by the end of it, I hope you can describe the steps of engineering design process. This is our concept for today. And connect it to our real life. Learn and tell me how we can use this process in solving our problems in our life, okay? So first thing, what is the engineer? Who is the engineer? Khalid, you told me that your father is an engineer, right? What does the engineer do? The engineer is a person who do what? Who knows? Who knows? Salma, you can tell me. Excellent, that's right. The person who built something. The person who think about the problem and tell us how to solve it. The person who fix things. The person who is good at math and building a lot of things. This is engineer. In today's lesson, we are going to learn how to be a good engineer and fix our problems by ourselves and build a new things, okay? Repeat after me. Engineer, design. What is design, teacher? To design is a verb. Means that I can draw or come up with a new thing. To do a new thing by myself. To be creative. To create it. To make it by my own self. To design it. To plan it. To draw it. A lot of meanings, okay? So this is our keywords for today, and I hope you save them very well. Now let's go and see it's TV time. Hello. We're going to watch a small video with our friend Diva and see how Diva solved her problem.
Hello. My name is Diva. My class
Hello, Diva.
is having a party tomorrow, and I need to bring a plate of healthy.
Listen carefully. I'm going to ask you.
I see a problem. I better write this down. A problem. Ben has an allergy, so no eggs. And we won't be using plates or forks.
Okay, so Diva needs to make a meal, right? She needs to cook it for the party in the class. But one of her friends is sick from eating egg. So no eggs. We cannot use egg, okay? And they are not allowed to use frogs and so on. So this is the problem here. She can't cook it at all. So Diva will think about the solution of her problem. Let's go and see.
Problem identified. Now I need ideas. What can I make? I could make.
Khaled, can you tell me what is the step? She said what? Oh, yeah, excellent. This is the first step, Omar. The first step of our design process is idea. I had a problem. I need to think and came up with an idea to solve this problem, right? Now go and see.
Oat cookies, but I would need to use an oven, and Mum said no.
Of course not.
Don't
lemon
slice.
Be near from the
but
oven.
But I don't have any lemons. I do have strawberries in the garden.
Yes.
Yeah, fruit kebabs. My idea is fruit kebabs. Solution found. Now I need a plan.
The next step is what? Layan, the next step is what? Plan. So the first step was idea. The next step is plan. Excellent. I need you to save the order.
Really important to write down a plan. Step 1. Collect all my ingredients and equipment.
Okay. Now she came with the materials, the equipment, the things that she needs. So she is gathering it. She came with the sticks. She came with the grapes and bananas and strawberries, okay? And the plate, of course. So these are the material. So the third step are the material.
All collected. Step 2. Follow the safe time for step 3. Make.
She is making the pre kebabs. Tick tock, the time is tick tock.
Hooray! They look great. My
Excellent.
plan, step 1, 2, and 3 completed.
Now she is testing it.
Time for testing.
She is testing.
This
she
is
will
my
eat
favorite
someone.
part. Exciting. Yum, yum,
Yum, yum,
yum,
yum.
yum, 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 yum. Test conducted. Delicious.
Excellent. So the problem solved, checked, and we are now having a cute party in the class, okay? Now we watched Diva, right? And watched her solving the problem. Now let's go and see what is the engineering design process. I need Farida to read this slide for me, please. Read it for me, please, Farida. The engineering design process is a set of people, a set of steps. Excellent. An engineering design process is a set of steps can use to develop a solution to a problem. Okay, so we have a problem. Look here. Look here, the dog is panicking. Oh, no problem. The car isn't working. But the man is solving the problem by using the engineering design process. The step we can take in design or repair something. When something is broken, we can repair it by the design process. When we need something, we can design it by the engineering design process. So engineering design process is a set of steps people can use to help develop a solution to a problem. Okay. What are the steps? What are these steps, teacher? What are these steps? I want Yahya to read them for me. The first thing is idea, just like Diva did. She thought about the problem and she came up with an idea. Second thing is what? Materials. We're going to look around us and collect the things we need to use. This is material. Plan. To think about the plan. Write the steps, draw it, and start doing it. And the fourth step is build. To build that. Look at this boy. The chair is broken. So he thought about an idea to fix it. He came with the wood and hammer and nails, right? These are the materials. And after that, he came with a plan to fix it. He built it. And now he's painting the chair and this is improved, okay? Here, if you opened your textbook, we are going to find this text. We need to underline each step in the story with the color we listened below. I'm going to read this story. And we are going to put a blue color, blue rectangle around the idea. Green one around the material. Yellow around the plan. Orange around the build. Came with your colors. Go, go, go quickly. Mr. Calvin saw an eagle who was missing its sharp beak. He wanted to help. Oh, my poor eagle. Mr. Calvin wanted to make the eagle a new beak. He collaborated with the other engineers. They drew a plan for a new beak made out of plastic. They created the beak on a 3D printer. A dentist helped attach the beak to the eagle. Now the eagle can eat again. Okay, so who found the idea? Ryan, what is the idea? Excellent. Mr. Calvin wanted to make an eagle a new beak. This is the idea. He thought and thought and thought, and the idea was to make the eagle a new beak. Excellent. What about the materials? Who found it? Teacher, the plan is the second step, not the material. Who found the plan? Salma. Oh, these are the material. Excellent, my dear. Plastic, 3D printer, and the plan was they drew the plans for a new beak made out of a plastic. So, where is the build? They created a beak on a 3D printer and the dentist helped attach this beak. These are how they helped the poor eagle to fix his beak again, right? This is what we mean by the engineering design process, to help fixing it. Now this is practice time. Are you ready? Are you ready? Are you ready? Yes, yes, we are ready. Open your book at page 68 and let's read an answer. Open your book quickly, quickly, quickly. Your young brother cut one paper of your book. Now I want Layan to continue reading. You have an idea to solve this problem. So you make a plan to repair your book by using a rope. But you discover that the rope cannot be used to repair the book. You think that we can use the rope to repair the book? No, of course not. So let's go and see. What are these? By using water, we can repair the book by using water, by using base tape, by using nails, or by using thread. Omar, you tell me, we can use water? No, we can't. Excellent. We can use the nails? No, of course not. We can use the thread? How can we do that? We can use the taste tab, and that's right. Excellent, my dear. So the right thing is to use the base tape and glue. Excellent. That's right, my dear. We can use it. Thank you so much. So in today's lesson, we've learned what? That we have 5 steps for the engineering design process. What are they? First thing first is the idea. It's number 1. Second thing is to see what we have. And we have the plan. After it, we have to build it. And finally, we improve, we develop, we think about it. Okay? Is it easy? I hope you found it easy. What homework for today's lesson? It's page 69, and I hope you can read it and solve it very well. Here we have what? We have this small boy water the garden that irrigates the plants with a large amount of water. You see, it's a large amount of water for this small flower. So we need to think about an idea to solve this problem and reduce the water. Okay, you need to tell me what are the steps here and what is number. Okay, I guess it's easy. Number 1 is the idea. Here you have an idea to reduce the amount of water which use in the garden, and this is number 1. We have here the rest 4 steps, and I need you to solve it. Okay, and thank you. This is all for today, and I thank you so much. Bye bye. See you tomorrow.